Good morning, everybody. This is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So the US was the only market open yesterday, and the Dow got a bit of a hiding. If you look from the close, basically down almost 1% on the futures market. I'm not entirely sure what the situation is. Obviously, haven't seen anything. But we do have 39,300 as a line in the sand. So we've got to cross over the oscillators that are pointing down. This is a massive engulfing bar on the 8 hour with follow through. But we are in a bull trend. So be very cautious about assuming that that is a start of something bigger. So obviously if we drop below 39,300, I'd like to see us come back and test it. That would validate the double top. And that double top is around 750 points, which would take us all the way back down to the bottom of this range at 39,540 area. So obviously we need to see a proper break below this and then a retest. But look left, you can see all the structure hidden here that is going to impact that decision. So I'd be very cautious of that. Moving down to the 3 hour, you can see fairly strong engulfing bar based on some data that came out, but already some diversions forming, bullish diversions, and coming into an area of support. And if you drop down to the hour, you can see there's a little gap here which was tagged, but obviously, let's do this. Obviously, we've got support between 39,346 and 39,417. So 39,400 is the area of support here. So I'd be very reluctant to be just jumping in short. Granted, we do have a crossover of all the moving averages, and we have got this rejection. But this was looking like a buying opportunity here before squirting down. So for me, this is done on low volumes. The US was the only country that was open yesterday. Europeans were not around, so not quite the volumes that you would have wanted for a move like this, a big move down like this. So I'll take it with a pinch of salt right now and just watch the market to see what's going to happen before jumping in on anything. So at the moment, sideways. It was sideways and then squirt after hours and then sideways again. I don't see any opportunities for longs at the moment, and I also don't really want to risk any shorts because of the support structure that we do have below us. And you just have to go on to the hour just to see this zone of support that we've got here. So I'm very reluctant just to jump in short at the moment. I'd want to see a bit of a climb and then look for something. So something along the lines of and there's a pin bar as well. So let me just do this. And let's just double check it on the hour if anything's there. So that makes the most sense. 39,533. Want to move back up to that, you get a rejection, then I'd be looking at 39,417 as my first target. Yeah, I'm not convinced of that. You can see the spike, you can see the channel. So often what happens is you channel onto support and then break channel to the upside. So we do have a bit of European data coming out today. I don't know. I don't think the DAX is really, sorry, the Dow is really in a position to buy or sell at the moment. I think you've got slightly better opportunities watching the DAX, and you've got a little bit of a better opportunity watching the S&P 500 as well. So for me, don't trust it. It does look like the start of a bearish setup, but I'd want to see a break of serious structure, and that serious structure for me is all the way down here at 39,346. So if we see break of that structure, then I'd be convinced that we have some bearish setups. But at the moment, this for me is just a bigger start of a bigger range if you look at this on the 3-hour. Okay, so yeah, I think I will be staying out of this. We'll ease into the week for now. Stay out of this. Let's see what happens, and let it build a base. I'd like to see it build a base above these levels to the upside. Yes, so 39,590, 39,560 area. I want to see it get back above it, build a base, and then you've got the confidence that you can continue on the long journey. Otherwise, it needs to drift lower and then back down into this 39,300. See what happens there. Even if it drops a bit lower, there'll probably be some diagonal support that will line up with 39,178. So that's kind of my view at the moment. Wait and see, but it could go either way. So that's me for today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.